are going to the farm, my pop's farm. It's gonna be so exciting. And we're gonna see our dog and our pop. It's gonna be so good. So we're getting in the car now. We're driving into the farm. We're in.
Yes, and actually sunny, which is
Yes, so nice. We're going on a
He
walk.
doesn't know.
Oh yeah, he can't hear.
If you go slow, you can
Having a look at Dad's new boat. Oh,
It's when I want to do it.
my Jesse. Here comes Millie and Jess. Water's looking a bit brown today, not gonna lie. But fine. Oh, here he comes. Oh, back up. Hannah just moved a whole boat. She's still strong. Dad's putting his boat in. I mean, Millie is just going to get changed.
my house to get changed because weirdly it's hot.
Yes, it's like really hot.
I'm in shorts and I have to change out of my jumper.
Yeah, and we're going up to the house. This is the garden for my grandma. It's so cute. Sandy's garden. Yeah, we're gonna go on the boat. Here he comes. Oh yeah.
Ahoy, ahoy.
Suiting up.
Get up for the spin.
Oh, period. And ready. Oh, you stole the other seat. I'm gonna sit up here. Here we go. Bye, Poppy. Leaving the... We're going, we're flying. We are gonna go yamming there later because Dad accidentally left the bait at home for fishing. Just cruising along. Pulling back in. We're just having some food. We're going to do some yabbing
75.
to get some bait. We're at the island. Here she comes, world, be kind.
Stunt one.
Parked up the boat and there's pelicans.
Okay, we need to get ready.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Nearly fell. None. We're on.
There's a nip.
Oh, there's evidence.
There's evidence. Oh. Got one.
Caught the first one of the day.
Do you want a medal?
Hannah, can you bring the bucket?
Oh, okay. So it's got one, but going well so far. We've got a couple. Just waiting for the next. Ooh, big one. Coming to get you. Guys, I just had to pick back out the one that I put in because it's got eggs and want to like reproduce in that. So bye. Millie's having a go on the pump. She's doing pretty well. Another pregnant one. There's heaps of pregnant ones. It's crazy. Oh, you got it, girl. Look at her go. Go again.
Let's go.
Ah, yeah.
Oh my god, I fell out.
Single mom who works 2 jobs. We are leaving. There wasn't that many yabbies, but we got some. Good. How many we got? Yeah, because we were putting back all the pregnant ones, and there was a lot of pregnant ones. Yeah. We're taking off. Dad has to push the boat. She's like running in front of the car when we go.
He's trying to commit suicide.
Doesn't want us to go. The takeoff.
Look, all the cows are out. Oh, he's seen to see if we're following.
Because he can't hear.
Oh, Dizzy. Oh my god, look at all the cows.
Oh my god. Guys, look at all the cows. So many. Hey guys. Moo. Gosh.
I love that they have an appropriate size fence because usually I feel like the fences with like cows and stuff, they never look tall enough.
Yeah. This one's real curious. What the hell? Yeah, my grill. We're going to Pop Sister's house to look at all her mosaics and stuff. The inside of the car is literally just so nice.
No, and it still smells new.
Yeah, his last one smelled new the whole time he had it. On the way.
There wasn't a car.
Like friends in there, they've got everything. Now it's called a rat, he's reading it.
Coming.
What, you showing them my mess? Oh, yeah.
Wow. All straws. Cool.
Oh, you have got a full. That's what he was making last time.
We've left, we're going back to the farm. Desi's chasing us.
And we're going fishing.
Yeah, we're going for a fish down at the water. Crocodile with a cold one.
Yeah.
Take a photo, I can be, what's it called? Performative.
Sun is setting. And Des is here. First cast. Woo! We're checking the
There's
trap.
any bait. Oh. Sounds like it's wobbling.
Oh.
They're barnacles.
Oh. What's that?
The bait.
Oh,
Nah.
nothing. What? The sun is setting really cute. Millie's gonna have a go at casting. Let's see, what's the technique?
That was good.
The plop sound. Guys, when I casted it, the bait got eaten.
Yeah.
So now we're putting some more on and then Hannah's gonna cast
Enjoy
it.
the sunset.
And look how pretty the sunset is. Hannah's casting now. Let's watch. Woo!
You.
It's so pretty, the sunset. Wow. She's getting some aggressive bites, guys. Do you reckon it's on?
I don't know.
She can't tell. She doesn't know. Is it? Wind it a little bit and see if it feels.
No, it doesn't feel like it's on it.
Oh my gosh. Ah! Yeah, I just had a mozzie on me too. No bait left. It nibbled it all off.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put a new yabby
But
on.
there was definitely one like about
A million
to get
percent.
stuck.
But then there was like the bait ran out.
And I will cast it.
Do you want to film me putting the yabby? We're just professional fisherwomen, guys, so copy everything that we do if you want
Yeah,
to get
if you want to get a fish.
Go right down the poo chute.
Vegetarians might not want to see this.
Well, skip
Actually, no, I've been in the launch boats down
if you don't want to see.
and do things, but I've never seen the riding a car down there.
Make sure it's on there real good so it doesn't fall off.
Going around in circles or something. Might be attractive.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'll do a tutorial on how to cast.
I didn't expect it to fall that far down.
Yeah.
Okay, casting time.
Okay, so guys, you pick up the rod.
Probably wind it up a bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Girls?
Yeah, I'm warm. I'm filming Millie cast the fish. I mean the rod.
Are you putting in the...
Hey.
You making a video?
Yeah, I'm making a video. Do you want to say hi?
Say, you come to the farmer to kick us off the...
Oh my gosh, you come to Mama.
Get away from here.
Come watch this skill.
So you hold this, and then you flick this,
Yep.
and then you go back.
That's good.
Good job. Cheering.
Back. And then you wind it off, and you put it down.
Millie just had one. And I was like pulling. I didn't
Bro,
even
it
film
was like
it.
massive.
Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. Yeah, I saw it. It was like yanking it. No, it's probably gone. I'd say.
Definitely gone.
Yeah. Oh, I'll get more bait. We're driving back up,
Yeah.
and Dad's walking with Des so that they're not. Des isn't alone because he's deaf, so probably don't be great.
I feel like that
Oh,
was
what
the
are you barking?
successful yeah, fishing trip ever.
Yeah, because we didn't catch anything, but there's so many bites. Making dinner. Pop's making a feast for us. Yeah, all the good stuff. We're all having
This is
some
like Desi. I said Desi.
This is Des's dinner. Show the
Could you
camera.
eat?
Show the camera.
You eat so much.
He gets. Pop feeds him what we eat. Pop's smashing up Des's dinner.
Oh, the release has made him a trillionaire. White's
Chicken
nice.
strips
Do
and
you like that white wine?
Yeah, that's really nice. Chippies are done. Serving up. And I've never tried this. It's tomato, onion, cheese. And I've never tried Brussels sprouts, so I'm going to try them too. We're watching the Raiders. They just started. Dad and Pop are about to come too. And I'm on the massage chair. What? Got your Q-tip in it.
No, just do on that.
No, your Q-tip.
Biggest?
Morning, guys. It's the next day, and what are we doing today? We're going on boat again. And Julie and Bruce, the people whose house we went to yesterday, they're coming over as well. I'm having a barbecue. Yeah, for lunch, and then I think Pop said we might be going out for dinner.
We just went downstairs to try and find Dad and Pop, but they're not here. They're down at the jetty. So we're going to get them. So guys, the grass is freezing.
And I forgot to bring.
And Hannah didn't bring slide-on shoes, so.
And I can't be bothered to go get my socks for
Why are you running like that? So guys, Pop's up there at the house, so we actually didn't have to do all that. Trap hasn't got any.
Yeah, nothing.
How do they get in?
Don't hold.
Oh.
We could ring him. I'll ring him.
We are going to Old Bar to go to the shops to get some wine and to get a cake, I think, and some bread. And we're going with Pop. Dad's fishing. We're at the bakery going in now. It's
So
shut.
will we get one at Coles?
Yeah, we're going into the bottle shop now. We're at Coles now, going to get a cake and bread.
We're getting this pistachio cake. Yum.
We're having some muffins for breakfast. Late breakfast.
So guys, Dad's allegedly caught some fish, so we're going to have a sauce.
Got a lot of fish. Good job, good job. Des is chasing us. Oh, we're on Pop's boat. Yeah. I'm in the tree. There's Dad. Just got back from being on the boat and Desi was waiting for us. Oh, running away from me now, I see. Awkward. Oh, never mind. Here's all Dad's fishes.
Me and Hannah are going fishing again because we're
we're
jealous
envious.
because Dad caught some fish. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Okay, Millie's having a go.
a cast, if you will.
It's a bit better than Hannah.
Yeah.
Not too sure if it will be though.
You ready, Sadie?
Yeah.
I was way better than yours.
Whatever. Oh my gosh, Millie's getting bites. If you feel a big one, like pull it like towards us a bit so then it might like hook on. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, please, we want to be the alphas.
Yeah.
Hannah just got some bites, but I think it might be gone. We're about to have lunch. Having the cake. We're watching the World Cup. Australia won. Woo! We're going fishing again. Woo!
And we watched the World Cup.
Yeah, I filmed.
An Australia one.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's like no wind. It's so like
So nice.
so calm. Dad's come and join us as well. It's so pretty, just fishing, and Millie, Dad, and Pop and Des. Dad's putting his boat away. Bye. Wow. We've been out here for like an hour. What do you think?
Maybe not quite an hour.
And we haven't caught anything.
Yeah.
And this proves how much I like beer. That
Yeah.
after like an hour,
Performative final bosses. I think it just really turned me off that it's not even one standard drink.
There's no point.
0.9 standard.
There's no point in drinking it.
Yeah. I'll wait for the wine later.
Yeah, for real. We're having this for dinner.
Thought so.
Going to bed and we leave in the morning.
Night, guys.
I haven't even shown you out here, like, this is the backyard bit. It's so adorable. And then there's the pool as well. Really nice. Pretty much saying our goodbyes to little Desi do. Look at him. Cutest dog in the world. Packed up the car. We're about to fly away. Des is coming around to say goodbye to us. It's sad. He's running. Oh. Bye. Saying goodbye to Dad.
We'll be back soon, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you know we're going, don't you?
Bye. Oh.
Guys, we've left the farm and going home now.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Thank you.